Hello students. So in this video we will discuss about Kappa statistics. So in my previous lecture of screening of disease I have already told you about the Kappa statistics, that it is a method to calculate the percentage agreement between observers. Suppose we are conducting a test and one observer is saying different result and another observer is telling different results. So we need to make some arrangement that uh, who is saying wrong and who is saying right. In that case we make agreement of percentage, a percentage agreement between both the observer. Either we can take two different tests and we can make some percentage of agreement between two different tests also. So it is a repeatability criteria for screening of test. Okay, so let's begin. So this is the framework of Kappa statistics. Suppose we are having one screening test and one more screening test. By screening test 1 we are having the result that some patients are positive and some are negative, and by another screening test in same population some are negative and some are positive, or population may be different. Okay, so now what we will do, we will calculate Kappa statistics by this formula. K is equal to AO minus AE upon T minus AE. Means AO is observed agreement. Observed agreement means, let's see, by screening test 1 there are A patients who are positive by screening test 1, and these patients are also positive by screening test 2. It means both the observer or both the tests are agreed that A will be positive by both the tests. Similarly, D is the value, D is the number of patients who are negative by screening test 1 and screening test 2 both. So here A plus D are the number of patients who are positive by screening test 1 and 2 both and negative by screening test 1 and 2 both. Means both test or both observer are saying that A and D will always be right by both the tests. So these are the our observed agreement, that we are agree on these observations. Okay, now expected agreement. For calculating expected agreement, what we are doing, we are taking that A plus B value means A plus B patients are positive by screening test 2 and A plus C are positive by screening test C. So we are calculating we are multiplying A plus C and A plus B and dividing by total values A, B, C, D. Okay. Similarly, we are seeing that C plus D are negative by screening test 2 and B plus D are negative by screening test 1. So what we are doing, we are calculating, we are multiplying B plus D with C plus B plus D plus C, B plus D with C plus D and dividing by ABCD means total values. So now we are getting the value of AE, observed expected agreement. Okay, that it should our expected agreement. Now T is total agreement. Okay, and after calculating this, the value which we are getting, it must be below 1. If the value is 1, it means the agreement is perfect. So there will be value will never be more than 1. It is similar like correlation coefficient, that in correlation coefficient value is never greater than 1, plus 1 or minus 1. Here only plus 1 value is we are considering, and these are the results. These will be the results according to value of Kappa. So if value of kappa is 1, then agreement is perfect. If it is 0.012, 0.2, it slight agreement is here. And if value is below 0.6, 0.41 to 0.6, the agreement will be moderate. So this is the interference or inference. This is the inference of our value. Now we are taking one example. Suppose we are having 100 suspected ILI cases for COVID, and we did rapid antigen test of all 100 cases and find out the result, and similarly 100 RT-PCR of 100 cases. Now what we are doing, what we have to do, we have to calculate kappa AO minus AE, means observed agreement minus expected agreement upon T minus AE. This is the formula. So first of all we are calculating AO. What is AO? Observed agreement, which is true. So here we are seeing that value of 25 is positive by both and value of 55 is negative by both tests. So 25 plus 55 is equal to 80. 80 is the value which is the value of AO. Okay, so I am clearing it. So what happened? The value of AO is 80. Now we have to calculate the value of AE. So first we have to calculate the value of positive agreements, then negative agreements. So here the positive value, positive agreement 25 plus 15 is equal to 40. Okay, 40 multiply by rapid antigen test, yes, 20 plus 25 plus 5, 30. Total value is 200 or 100. How much the value? Total 25 plus 5, 15 plus 55. Total value is 100. Second one, total negative values. For RT-PCR negative value is 60. Multiply by 50 plus 55, 70 divided by 100. So 40 multiplied by 30 divided by 100, it will be 12, plus 60 multiplied by 70 divided by 100 will be 42. So total value will be 454. Okay, so value of AO is 80, value of AE is 54. Now calculate 80 minus 54 upon 100 minus 54. The final value will be 26 upon 46. Okay, so you just calculate 26 upon 46. It will be around 0.6. Okay, so now we see the table. It will be nearby moderate agreement. Okay, you understood? Thank you.